Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will study about those features of the Indian Constitution which we have borrowed from the French Constitution. हमने फ्रांस के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से क्या क्या बोरो किया है आज हम देखेंगे. So there are total 4 values which are enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution that has been borrowed from the French Constitution. What are those 4 things? First is the fraternity. Then we have borrowed republic. The word republic has been borrowed from the French Constitution. Then is equality, and then we have liberty. These are the 4 things which we have borrowed from the French Constitution. Please tell me in the comment section below that from which source have we borrowed the ideal of justice. हमने जो ये ideal of justice है social, economic, political ये कहाँ से borrow किए. So let us read about the things which have been borrowed from the Constitution of France. सबसे पहले आता है fraternity. What does fraternity means? The word fraternity means a sense of brotherhood. A sense of brotherhood. Fraternity का मतलब होता है sense of brotherhood. There are various provisions in the constitution which provides for the promotion of brotherhood. For example, single citizenship हो गया. Then we have fundamental duties. Article 51A. It is the duty of every citizen to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood. ये हमारी fundamental duty भी है कि हम fraternity को promote करें. So this has been borrowed from the French Constitution. Second is the republic. Republic का क्या मतलब होता है? Republic का मतलब ये होता है कि जो head of state है, जो इंडिया में हमारे head of state है, he is an elected person. Head of state मतलब हमारे यहाँ है President of India. President of India is an elected person. इसका and he is elected for a term of 5 years. This means that India is a republic. See, there are 2 kinds of democratic polity. One is a republic and then we have monarch. तो monarch होता है, republic होता है. monarch का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो head of state है, he is not an elected, he holds the office through the process of succession. जैसे कि मान लो एक किंग है और या क्वीन है, जैसे ब्रिटेन में होता है, किंग है, क्वीन है, फिर उनके हेयर हुए या सक्सेसर हुए, देन ही विल होल्ड द ऑफिस. ही इज नॉट एन इलेक्टेड पर्सन. बट रिपब्लिक सेज दैट द हेड ऑफ स्टेट इज ऑलवेज एन इलेक्टेड पर्सन, इधर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. इंडिया में प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया है, ही इज इलेक्टेड इनडायरेक्टली बाय द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिपब्लिक. इंडिया इज अ रिपब्लिक. So these 2 features, fraternity and republic. Then we have equality. What do we mean by equality? Equality means absence of any privilege. कोई privilege नहीं होती है. इसको बोलते हैं equality, that every person should have an equality of status and equality of opportunity. ये हमारे constitution कहती है preamble के through, that every person should have an equality of status and opportunity, and it also provides equality of various types like civil equality, political equality, economic equality, and the notion of equality is also ensured through various provisions of the constitution. For example, there is Article 15 which says that there shall be no discrimination only on the grounds of race, religion, caste, sex, of place of birth. We have Article 16, we have Article 17 जहाँ पे untouchability को abolish किया है. Article 18 है, उसके बाद हमारा DPSP भी है. So there are likewise various provisions which ensures that their equality prevails in India. And then the last thing we have is liberty, that has been borrowed from the Constitution of France. Liberty मतलब होता है absence of any restraints. जैसे किसी भी individual के activity पे state कोई restraint नहीं लगाएगी. He is free to do, he is free to develop himself fully and his personality. There shall not be any restraint. It provides for the liberty of thought, the liberty of expression, the liberty of belief, worship, faith. But saying that, you also have to note that liberty does not means that individual has the license to do whatever he wants. Liberty का ये मतलब नहीं होता है कि आप कुछ भी चाहो तो कर लो. Liberty has to be enjoyed, but it is enjoyed within certain limitations. So liberty is not absolute. Liberty is qualified. State can put reasonable restrictions on your liberty. So these are the 4 features which we have borrowed from the Constitution of France. To remember this, you can do one thing. See, French Constitution से क्या क्या लिया है अगर आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है, although there are 4 things which are mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution. which is fraternity, republic, equality, liberty. But if you are not able to remember these things, you can do one thing, that see the letters of the word French. F से बन गया हमारा fraternity, R से है republic, E goes for equality plus liberty. That means if you remember French Constitution के केस में, if you even remember the spelling, the French Constitution में जैसे कि सबसे पहले F आ रहा है तो fraternity हो गया, R से republic, E से equality. तो अगर आपको fraternity, equality if you remember, you will be able to also remember the word liberty. So, and please, again I am saying this, please remember there are 4 things. The numbers are important. You have to remember the number of things that has been borrowed from that source. So this is it. French Constitution से we have borrowed the notion of fraternity, republic, equality and liberty. Thank you so much. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.